Good morning/afternoon. Today I am going to talk about something that has become a key to success in today's global world: the importance of learning English. English is more than just a subject in school. It is a global language, a bridge that connects people from different countries, cultures, and backgrounds. It is often called the lingua franca, the common language used for communication across the world. 1. Global importance. English is spoken by over 1.5 billion people worldwide, either as a first or second language. It is the official language of more than 50 countries and is widely used in international business, science, technology, and aviation. If you want to travel, study abroad, or work in an international company, English is essential. 2. Educational opportunities. Many of the world's best books, movies, and courses are in English. Most global universities and online platforms like Coursera, edX, and YouTube offer content in English. Learning English opens the door to a world of knowledge and information. 3. Career advancement. In today's job market, knowing English gives you a competitive edge. Whether you are a teacher, engineer, doctor, or businessman, English helps you communicate effectively, understand new technologies, and participate in global discussions. Many companies prefer or require employees who can speak English fluently. 4. Internet and technology. About 60% of the content on the internet is in English. From emails to coding, from websites to user manuals, English dominates the digital world. If you want to make the most of the internet and technology, learning English is a must. 5. Communication and confidence. When you learn English, you don't just learn grammar and vocabulary, you gain confidence. You can express yourself better, make new friends from different countries, and understand their cultures. English allows you to be a part of the global community. 6. Personal growth. Learning a new language improves memory, sharpens the brain, and enhances problem-solving skills. English, with its rich literature and expressions, also improves your creativity and imagination. 7. Tips for learning English. Now, you might be wondering, how can I improve my English? Here are a few tips. Read daily, books, newspapers, or online articles. Watch English movies or shows with subtitles. Practice speaking with friends or in front of a mirror. Listen to English songs, podcasts, or speeches. Write a few lines in English every day, maybe a diary or a summary of your day.